What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into today's trade recap. As y'all can see, yeah, big loser. I think this is my biggest loss in my whole career. Losing $38,298. Yes, it's painful. And in the comments, I don't need people, lecturing and telling me what I should have did and all this, cause don't nobody know. You know, when I'm on my winning streaks, I don't hear nobody talking. So I don't want to hear nobody talking, you know, when you lose. I mean, it's part of the game. It happens. I know what I did wrong, so I don't need nobody lecturing me on what they should have did. It's all hindsight talk. In the meat of the moment, you don't know. So I don't need that. If you want to put your 2 cents in, if you post your P&L every day and show what you do every day, then you can comment. Other than that, if you don't show your P&L, wins or losses, don't comment unless it's positive. So $38,298. Basically just added, man, because Chris never holds his gains. That's number one. Chris loves to do this move. I'm familiar with this move. It does. It loves to grind up and spike at the open and then sell off. That's why I was playing. I had a big cushion because I've been doing great for 2 weeks. Been on a hot streak. Making a lot of money, and I just felt like I had a cushion, and I was, I felt like I just had a lot of room to work with, and I got my average up, pretty good. But the thing is, I had a lot of shares, so it did what I expected to do. Let me show y'all. So it did what I expected to do. It showed it, and I was like, okay, cool. It's doing what I expected to do because I was building up a position into that because I know a lot of times it loves to go up like this, and then when 9:30 comes, all that volume comes in, it spikes up, and then it just dumps on everybody. That's exactly what it did. As y'all can see at 9:30, that's exactly what it did at 9:30. As y'all can see, it spiked and then it dumped, right? So I thought this was it right here. So I started adding, right? So I thought it was it. But it just had to keep going, and that's what got me, That's it. That's what got me. And that was that, man. I was up $2,000 pre-market, and this was a boneheaded short right here, and I just didn't never get out. I just kept adding to it because I was being greedy. My lines are under it, which is bullish, so I kind of ignored my lines and paid the price for it because what I should have did was go long on my lines right here, and yeah, as y'all can see, it went to the sevens, but I was just so caught up short because I knew, because this stock does fail a lot, and I just got caught on short. And another thing what I should have noticed was the grinding action. It would be different if it would have went parabolic. It didn't do that. It was grinding. This is a bad sign right here. And where I should have got out at was right here at these highs right here. I should have got out when it came down. This should have faded off. By not fading off, I should just got out as soon as it came back up. This is where I should have exited right here, and I would have just ate that loss. It would have been like probably like a $6,000 loss, maybe. I'm not sure, but it would have been way smaller than 38,000 for sure. And all I could have did was just, after that getting out, what I should have did was just wait, just patiently wait, let it squeeze out, and then try to short, or go long. That's what I should have did right here. Where I should have got out at. I didn't get out. Just kept adding, and getting squeezed by CRIS. Doesn't bother me. I'll be back at it. This is a learning lesson for me. I know exactly what I did wrong, and I will be more careful next time. Stand out these grinds and never underestimate a stock, even though it showed past history of the same pattern. Sometimes that pattern can change, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I think this is the biggest loss I had. My biggest loss prior to this was like what, 25,000, I think. So this takes the crown. 38,298. Next time I'm probably gonna wait till it cracks under my lines and then go short. Just stay safe. So gotta recoup this money because I did some boneheaded things, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And looking forward to crushing it tomorrow and getting back on track on a winning streak. Yes, it hurts, but it's part of the game. You gotta understand that all traders go through it. All traders have big losses. It's just part of the game. All you gotta do is just keep your head up and just keep fighting, and get back consistent and learn from your mistakes. I know exactly what I did wrong, and I will fix that. So that's it for this video. I'm gone. Peace.